to have variety. You know. That big ticket item stuff. No, you can't go to the flea market with something like that. Once you go, there's so many people there selling uniforms, you know. That's what the majority of people go for. Oh, yeah. I don't want any store fixing open. I'll make some pipes. You know, rooms down the building. Yeah, she's thinking about March.
He snorted. Are you eating my hair? You're so silly.